Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel an order on Whatnot now. If you want to cancel your order on Whatnot but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Canceling order on Whatnot is a very easy step. You just need to open the Whatnot app on a device. So make sure that you have already installed the app. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to go on the Whatnot app, and this is the home page of Whatnot, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So you just need to click on the profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option of payment and shipping, address, buyer, and all of it. So scroll down and you need to select the purchase from the menu. So you may also see the option of activity, which is at the very bottom taskbar. So if you click on this, you'll see the option of purchases. So your live purchases will be here. So you just need to find the order which you want to cancel. So currently I have not purchased anything from Whatnot, so you'll not be able to see any option like this. So here you'll be able to see the order which you have given. So you just need to find the order which you want to cancel, and if the seller has not shipped the item, then you'll see the option of request cancellation. So you just need to find the option and you just need to confirm your request. And the thing is that seller must approve your cancellations, and order cannot be cancelled once they have been shipped. So that's it. You just need to make sure that the seller also approve your cancellation request and they have not shipped your item before canceling the request. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's how you can cancel your order on Whatnot. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.